Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste attribute to multiple clips. For this I already opened lots of clips into the Premiere Pro timeline to see this effect, see how this is working. So for this I am going to select the first clips and I'm going to add some effect into here. Like this, I want to rotate this footage in 20%. Also I'm going to the lumetric effect, make sure the footage is selected, expose a little bit, contrast also. 30% rotate. Okay, and I will add another style. I will go to the lumetric color and try to add a little bit style here. Increase also highlight, so show white, black also lower. Okay, so select this footage, go to edit, copy. Also you can press Ctrl+C to copy the footage, copy and go to the second clips or third clips or fourth clips. Okay, I'm going to fourth clips and go again edit, paste attribute, or press Ctrl+B, paste attribute. See, this dialog is open. Here is the motion, opacity, time ramping. I add one effect is lumetric effect, check this below also. So for this and to click OK. See the first style effect, also the second. You can select the footage or right click mouse and click paste attribute, same dialog. And this I'm also select the scale also. Okay, see, also apply third clips, select the footage, go edit, paste attribute. Okay, also second clips, edit, paste attribute. Okay, hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.